See, there are a lot of applications that we call monoliths, which means they put all the functionality like transactions, third-party integration into a single deployable artifact. And monoliths are a common way to build applications even today, but they still have their downfalls. Kubernetes is all about managing these containers on virtual machines or nodes. The nodes in the containers they run are grouped together as a cluster, and each container has endpoints, DNS, storage, and scalability. Everything that modern applications need without the manual effort of doing it yourself. Well, the first step is to start using containers. That's easier said than done, but let's save that for the next episode. Okay. So now we have an idea of what kinds of problems Kubernetes helps with, and we've also got an orbital view of what it actually does. Oh yeah, that makes me think of a conductor that manages everything in an orchestra. You know, are the horns going? Oh, the drums, they should be going now. Exactly. There's a lot of moving points in a scalable application. Just like a conductor makes sure the song sounds like a composer wants, Kubernetes makes sure services are running smoothly the way an app developer wants. Kubernetes is a portable, extensible, open-source platform for managing containerized workloads and services that facilitates both declarative configuration and automation, letting you run distributed systems resiliently with scaling and failover for your application.